So beautiful Bluebird Day here at Homewood Beer and Gear. I selected the Guava Sour today to match with our graphics here on the Rafiki. This is our new powder ski for Coalition Snow coming out in 2020. The new top sheet is absolutely a surprise, but I'm giving you a little preview of what matched best with what I was wearing and also with what I was drinking. What I love about this Inbounds powder ski, it is completely poppy and friendly in all conditions. So even though we've had Snowmageddon here in Tahoe, today's beautiful Bluebird ski in almost corn-like conditions, even a little bit of slush, and the Rafiki completely just had me with a you-know-what eating grin on my face. So I'm super excited that this is coming out for 2020 gear, and cheers to you, Homewood, for bringing the beer and gear together.